the damn right angle that I was talking about. Ooh, incoming. Worth the weight in gold. That was too cool. They were high, dude. Because they were high. I got excited. Why? Because I saw a drone go over there. So anyway, I don't need to check. I let a mosquito bite me tonight. Mess up that bird shot.